Everyone, how you all? Welcome back to Sunya IAS, guys. I hope you all are doing really good. And this is a great news for all the agriculture optional aspirants that we are launching a full foundation course for UPSC CSE 2025. The best thing about this course is this course will be available in both the languages, in English 2 and in English 2. Students who want to go for English can opt for the English course of agriculture optional, and those who are comfortable in Hindi can go for English language course where I'll be teaching you in Hindi too, right? This particular intro video where I'll be dealing you with the component of this course will be in English. Those students who want to see it in Hindi language can see the other video which we have uploaded. Right, guys? Now, before dealing with the component of the course, I want to address the students who are still dicey about this optional. Don't be two minds about this optional, guys. Let me tell you, this optional is one of the best optional you will get over here because it has the highest success rate. Means number of students are less over here. Less students know about this optional. People think that it is a technical optional, but this is also one of the optional which everyone can choose. So over here, you will see less competition. Why? Because most of the students who come for preparation mainly go for the herd optional. I call it herd optional because a lot of students with their closed eyes go for anthro, socio, political science, history, right? A lot of times I have told you. And they don't even know that agriculture is also the optional which you can also go for, right? So they don't know about the awareness about agriculture is no more there. But if you have come across this agriculture optional, that means you consider yourself lucky. This agriculture optional will definitely sail you through the merit list. So one is this. Second importance of this agriculture optional is you can target multiple options or multiple examinations. For example, you are sitting for primarily for UPSC civil services examination, but you can also give UPSC CSE IOS Indian Forest Service examination. In this, you have to choose two options, and one of the options you can go for with agriculture. But you cannot sit in Indian Forest examination with the socio PSIR option. Let me tell you. So technicality is over here. Also, you can appear for your state examination, ACF examination. If you don't know about it, search about it, guys. And Forest Ranger examination, FRO or RFO. In states, it happens, right? So target you can with the same limited knowledge, you can target multiple. 90% of the syllabus is static. Those students who think that agriculture is dynamic are completely wrong. Just see the previous year questions, just see the trend. You will understand that this particular syllabus is 90%. Also, you can utilize now this particular point. You will see it is overlapping in with all the optionals. You can utilize this optional in GS paper 3. Also, prelims proportion of agriculture question you have seen, right? So prelims also gives high number of questions from agriculture that you can count. And the most important thing that it can be completed within 2 months, provided that you are understanding or you are reading this optional 6 to 7 hours daily, guys. Right? Easily it can be covered in 2 months. Right? With 3 months, you can cover it with answer writing if in 3 months. Right, guys? So directly I am telling you what you will get in the course. Let me come to you in the component of the course. What you are getting in the course. Directly I am coming to this. If you are opting for this course for 2025, first of all, you will be getting the video courses. Video lectures you will be getting, guys. Right? Unit wise video lectures will be uploaded. For example, if we have started paper 1, then the approach video you must have to see, because I'll not start paper 1 with unit number 1, 2. This is not the right way to start agriculture optional. Right? Agriculture syllabus, you have to do it in a different way. I have uploaded the approach video for paper 1, approach video for paper 2 on YouTube. You can check that out, guys. And by the same procedure, we will be completing it unit wise and syllabus wise. Syllabus wise means I'll be picking one line of the syllabus and then we will be reading about it and seeing the PYQ, guys. Like this, you will be getting video lectures for both paper 1 and paper 2. Beside this, you will also be getting my class lectures PPT, right? And other part which you will be getting for the subscribers who will subscribe, the books. You will be getting the compilation of paper 1 over here. Paper 1 booklet you will be getting, and paper 2 booklet you will be getting. Basically, these are short things which you are going to get. Books over here, my PPT and these video lectures will help you to score more than 250 plus marks surely. I don't say 300 plus marks, because for this 300, for this 50 plus marks, you have to work hard more, right? You have to work hard. The things which I'll be saying in class, the direction which I'll be giving you, you have to cover this direction to achieve 50 more marks. So that's why I assure you 250 plus marks, but I don't assure you 300 plus marks, because over here I need your hard work too, right guys? So over here you will be getting, now these are the short things which you are getting. Also other components are that conceptual understanding, rectification of important points in the class itself. I'll be teaching you. I'll not be just getting over with the syllabus, guys. I'll be telling you what you have to rectify in the class itself. Handwritten PPTs, I have flowcharts. PPTs will be available to you of every class, right? And this optional will be covered in 2 months. Probably it can go up to 3 months, probably, right? So plus or minus 10-15 days we take it. Paper 1 and paper 2 booklets, you will be getting both the syllabus. You will not be needing any other source, I'm telling you. Just go through this, right? Just see the sample paper uploaded on the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel if you are not the member of it. Also, if you have any doubt, I'll be giving you my number in the last of this video. Don't worry, you can directly call me and ask me about the components of this course if you have any other doubt, right? Compilation of all important topics you will be getting. Also, we'll be discussing PYQ. So our chapter, suppose we are, see the demo videos also. In demo videos I have uploaded in YouTube. If you will see it, you will understand the how we will proceed with the course, right? Quick summary of every topic in the starting and in the end we will be doing it. And personal mentorship means always we'll be in connect, because on online what happens that a connect is missing, but we'll be connected through this personal mentorship feature. You can call me and anytime you will be getting my personal number, and I'll be dealing with your progress with this particular option, right guys? All right, so we have divided the syllabus it in, like paper 1 we have 8 units, but the syllabus, those students who are new, they should know that syllabus is written in this form, paper 1. But we have, for our convenience to study, we have divided it under 8 units. So this is ecology unit, this is your agronomy unit, forestry unit, then over here you will see over here weed science unit, right? Over here this soil and nutrient management. And how we start, you have to see approach video. Just go through the videos, right? Understand the approach. Even if you are studying on your own, you must see the approach videos, because student or aspirants who are coming new to it directly jump in one unit number 1, then unit number 2. Like this, you don't approach this paper 1, guys, because you will stuck in between and you will feel that this agriculture optional is boring. So it matters how you study, how you approach something, then only it is interesting or not interesting. It depends on that, right? So this is the syllabus part which I have discussed in elaborate manner in the approach videos. You can see that. Yeah, this is the paper number 2. Paper number 2, we have divided it into 7 topics, 7 units basically, and we will be covering it unit wise. I have added the demo videos of paper 2 also. You can check it out on cell biology and genetics. I have uploaded. Check that out. And this is very conceptual in nature. You will not be feeling that we are studying biology, right? You will not be feeling while I'll teach you, because you have to understand this, that you ultimately are not going to become agriculturist, guys. Or if you are opting for this political science option, you are not going to be a political scientist. Ultimately you have to utilize these optionals to be a civil servant. So very objectively you have to understand the syllabus, right? Just see the demo videos of cell structure. I am sure that you will not feel that you're studying biology, the taboo which you feel over like in your mind, right? So you don't have to have anything in your mind, but what I am teaching you in the class, you just smoothly see that, right guys? For those students who have not gone through the syllabus, just see my approach videos on paper 2. You will be getting it, right? These are the feedbacks which you can study, which you can read of 2024 aspirants and 2023 aspirants. The response they have given, the response which I've got was really humbling, guys. You will also surely get the benefit of this 2025 course, right? Also, how you have to utilize the course, you have to like give 5 hours daily for 3 months, exactly 5 to 6 hours you have to give. You have to follow the approach video first before starting any paper, right? And in the class, take out the printout of the class class PDFs. You have to make running notes. Also, the structure which I'll be giving you for the retaining of that particular information is indeed very necessary, right guys? So if you have any doubt, any query, you can call on this number, guys. I'll be happily dealing with all your doubts, right? Or you can telegram me or WhatsApp. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be meeting you in the course.